Connecting AirPods to Windows PC in 2025 is faster than ever. First, ensure you have Windows 11 version 22H2 or later for optimal compatibility. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled with the latest drivers and have your AirPods ready in their charging case. Step 1. Open Windows Settings and navigate to Bluetooth and Devices. You can access this quickly by clicking the Start button and typing Bluetooth Settings or through the Settings app. Step 2. Click the Add Device button, then select Bluetooth from the options. This opens the Device Discovery mode, where Windows will search for nearby Bluetooth devices. Step 3. Prepare your AirPods for pairing. Place both AirPods in the charging case, then hold the Setup button on the back of the case for 2 to 3 seconds. You'll see the LED light flash white, indicating the AirPods are ready to pair. Step 4. Your AirPods should appear in the device list within 5 to 10 seconds. Look for your AirPods name in the list and click on it to select. The improved Swift Pair technology in Windows 11 makes this detection much faster than previous versions. Step 5. Windows will prompt you to confirm the pairing. Click Pair to establish the connection. Thanks to the improved Bluetooth support in Windows 11, this entire process now takes only 10 to 15 seconds. Step 6. Set your AirPods as the default audio device. Right-click the sound icon in your taskbar, select Open Sound Settings, then choose your AirPods as the default playback device. This ensures all audio will automatically play through your AirPods. Your AirPods are now successfully connected to your Windows PC. The 2025 improvements include faster 10 to 15 second connection times, 94% first attempt success rate, enhanced audio quality with AAC codec support, and much better call quality and microphone performance. Even with improved Windows compatibility, AirPods users may encounter 3 main issues: audio cutting out, poor microphone quality during calls, and frequent connection drops. Each has specific solutions. For audio cutting out, the primary solution is updating to Windows 11 version 23H2 or later, which includes improved Bluetooth drivers. Additionally, disable power management for your Bluetooth adapter to prevent Windows from turning it off to save power. Poor microphone quality occurs because Windows defaults to stereo mode for music. During calls, manually switch to headset mode in your audio settings. This activates the microphone and optimizes audio for voice communication. Connection drops are resolved by clearing the Bluetooth cache monthly and repairing devices. This removes corrupted connection data that accumulates over time. Access this through Windows Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices. Beyond troubleshooting, several optimizations can enhance your AirPods experience. Hardware acceleration improves audio processing performance, while Windows Sonic provides spatial audio for immersive sound. Following these best practices ensures optimal AirPods performance on Windows. Regular maintenance, proper audio mode selection, and enabling advanced features will provide a stable, high-quality audio experience comparable to native Apple devices.